And I love
But
that analogy because it makes so much sense because nowadays we look back and say, what were we doing? What were we thinking, right?
the thing that is startling when you stop to think about it is you and I grew up in an era where we developed without the toxins. They weren't there.
Hmm.
60s, 70s, 80s. It's around the 80s that things started really getting kind of worrisome, especially into the 90s. But now the kids being born, even the kids who are 20 and 30 year old, they were born into a universe where
Yes.
they were immediately immersed in toxins.
Well, in
Today,
2001, the Canadian study, cord blood of infants, this is now over 20 years old, had over 200 chemicals of babies being taking their first breath in the world. That was 20 some years ago.
and how about the one that came just 2 months ago where we're finding microplastics in the
Yes.
meconium,
Yeah.
microplastics in the umbilical cord,
Yeah.
microplastics in the placenta? We'll talk about all these different things, but there are 5 top hit parades toxins out of the whole 144,000 that you better be worried about.